topic is past tense. So what is a past tense? It is the action that has completed already in the past. Any action that was completed already in the past is called as past tense. Present means any actions that has completed that is happening now. So I danced today. Something that is happening now is called as present, whereas past, the action that has already completed. I danced yesterday. So in this video, we are going to look after how to frame the past action words. Now we look into the ways of to frame the action words. We can frame the action words by three types. First is by adding ed to the action word. Like for dance, it is danced, and for play, it is played. For jump, it is jumped. So these action words, they add only ed to form in the past form. This is one type. The next type is, they are called as irregular verbs. For example, for buy, it is bought. For write, it is wrote. For eat, it is ate. So change of the action word completely. So the word itself will be changed completely in order to get its action word. So the third step is the same word. There is no change in the action word. For example, cut, cut, put, put. Like that, you don't have any change when you change that action word into the past. So by adding ed, what you have to do is you have to just add ed, and or in few words you have to double last letter then add ed. For example, if it is stop, you have to double the last word p and add ed, stopped. Stopped. And if the word ends in e, you have to just add d. For example, smile. If a word like smile, smile, so e is the ending word, you have to add just the d with that. So the change of words in action form. Go, it is went. Teach, taught. Grow, grew. Read, read. Here the spelling is similar but the pronunciation along, you have to read it in another form. Write, wrote. See, saw. Have, had. Catch, caught. And these are few words where you don't have any change when it is changed into its past form. Bet, bet, bet. Cost, cost, cost. And cut, cut, cut. Hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt. And let. So these are words you have the same present and past action word. We'll have a recap soon. So if you have to change an action word into past, you have three methods, like by adding ed to the word, and the second one is change of the word completely, and the third one is same as the action verb. So these are the three forms in which you have to change your action word. Now you have a question time where all the verbs have been given in the present and you have all the pronouns. So you have to frame a sentence in simple past. The first one, it is I ate. I bought. I prayed. I taught. I swam. I took and I wrote. So like that, for each pronouns you can have a practice. Thank you.